My name is Ryan Voss. I'm a mechanical engineer here at McCormick Stevenson. I've been here since May of 2015 as an intern. I was here for an intern for a year, and then I've been full-time since May of 2016.
And tell me, since you've been with us, what's the most interesting and exciting thing you've been assigned here at McCormick Stevenson?
I'd probably have to say the most interesting thing we've done is, or that I've worked on, is the GPS for cargo ships, the L3AIS. Did a lot of work on that, and it's been extremely fun to see that project from beginning all the way to end.
Yeah.
And see it go to production.
I met with the customer last week, and they were thrilled with the results.
Yeah.
And so it looks like we're going to extend that relationship as a result of your good work. So thank you. Appreciate that. And what makes you want to stay here at McCormick Stevenson?
That same design experience. It's sort of, with what we do is so different every single day. We get to touch so many different projects and fields of engineering that it just keeps you fully invested and fully interested in what we love, and especially what I love with what I do. Doing different designs, the complex modeling, the drawings that take 20 hours and still you somehow end up with something great. So it's a great opportunity.
Would you refer a friend to work with you here at McCormick Stevenson?
I would. Actually, the intern we had, Jessica, she was a friend of mine I knew at USF for months and months before she came to work here. So when she came along, I was extremely happy, and great people at USF, and this place is an amazing opportunity to come to.
How do you feel, how does your job make a difference here in the world at McCormick Stevenson?
With what we do, being in the defense field, I feel that we can, as long as we help keep our country safe and we work on projects that better our technology in the defense industry, and if we can save a soldier's life or help in any aspect to do that, it helps a lot knowing that fact. And actually, about a month ago, I was out with some friends, and I talked to a friend that used to be in the military, and he actually used one of our products out in the field and had great compliments about it. So hearing that from design side all the way to the end user, and knowing we did good work out in the field, was pretty good to hear.
Absolutely. What do you think is special about McCormick Stevenson?
I'd probably say the small business atmosphere. That's something that I think a lot of people can miss out on in their careers. And just because you have a small business of 15 to 20 people, that doesn't mean the people around you actually incorporate and actually use that to the best abilities. And I think that's one thing that you actually really capture here. Everybody here is basically family, and from the day you start, you're going to be part of us and make the team better.
Having been both an intern and an employee at McCormick Stevenson, how would you describe the internship experience in particular as it compares to what you've been doing as an engineer?
The internship part of it is it's a great opportunity to learn, and you don't feel as much pressure to do something right the first time. As an engineer, full-time, you sort of have the, I don't want to mess up and I want to make sure it's the best of what I can do. And as an intern, it's sort of, you have the mindset that I'm going to do the best I can, but I know somebody along who's probably going to tell me what I did wrong and I don't do it again. And that was the great thing around here. And being an intern, coming in part days and doing all the projects, I always knew that fact that I'm probably going to get criticized on something, but it's always going to be for the better. So that was a great thing about working here.
Terrific.